Freeze out winter's chill and come relax today at Secrets, Jamaica, USA. Every Thursday at 4 p.m., you'll find a new taste sensation to experience at 49th Street in the Bay. New for the second season, all of Secrets' renowned entrees like shrimp and scallop rundown, prime rib, and crab cake dinner are just $12 or less. Thursday, Friday, and Sunday from 5 until 10 p.m. Kickstart your Saturdays with the $2 Make Your Own Bloody Mary bar beginning at 11 a.m. And as always, Secrets is your happy hour destination year-round from 4 until 7 p.m. with half-price jerk chicken, fries, rings, and shrimp, and drink specials featuring $1.75 domestic drafts all day Thursday, Friday, and Sunday, and from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. on Saturday. Warm up your winter nights at your paradise by the bay. Secrets, Jamaica, USA. Find us and get lost.
Hey everybody, this is Rico from Secrets. As you know, we're fortunate we have the ability to do parties from 50 to 1,000. Family parties, class reunions, birthday parties, anniversary parties, award banquets for the local schools. There's no bad time to have a great party. Let me try and help you, see if we can work things out. The phone number here at Secrets is 410-524-4900. Thank you very much.
Your weekend starts a day early. The Secrets brings you Little Friday every Thursday night at 49th Street and the Bay. $2 for all import and domestic canned beers. $3.75 3-olive vodka drinks, and all 3-olive bombs are just $5. And DJ Wax is back.
No visit to Secrets is complete without entering the world-famous Morley Hall nightclub, where top national and regional bands will have you rockin' all night. Secrets, 49th Street in DeBay, Jamaica, USA. Find us and get lost.